Oh my God! Oh. We're crossing the Brooklyn Bridge. Bakit natatawa? Kumakanta pa eh. May summer patch. Mahal na ako. Wala bang walk-a-later? Ang aking tour guide today na napakabilis maglakad. Nasa Brooklyn Bridge na ako.
Yung side, sa other side, kasi yung view mo sa city.
Okay. Sige, Kuya Kim.
Talaga, baka ba? Dahil parang mo, mabilis. Mabilis lakad na.
Oh my God! Look at this view! Ang ganda! Panira to ng view eh.
Sige, tama na.
Wag!
Oo, dapat pa ganon.
Ano ibig sabihin ng Dumbo?
Wala.
Wala kang kwentang kaibigan. Ulitin mo yung joke mo.
Walang joke.
Sabi niya, ang Dumbo daw, down under Manhattan Bridge. So I asked, what's O? Of course. Sobrang corny, that joke. Eh pa. Hindi sumusunod sa stoplight.
Legal.
Isang Pinoy na naman ang namataan dito sa Brooklyn.
Legal. It's legal to jaywalk.
It's legal to jaywalk dito?
Yeah.
Sa Pinas, papakantahin ka ng lupang hindi. We're now in Dumbo. Oh, Joe Coffee. Okay. So this is Dumbo.
Alam mo. Hindi.
Ang lamig. Like, sobrang lamig. We're going to Arabica. So freaking cold here. Thank you. Ha? Oh my God. Sino to? Cool legend, no?
Si Sara Labati.
Tapos may tatakbo ba? Kubaw? May magtatakbo ba legend?
Oo.
Like, hey, Nico. Grabe, no? Grabe na yung narating natin. Dahil may video.
Ako naman ang t-shirt.
Oo.
Let's go.
Diba? I told you. I wanna buy beans.
So weird that I'm out here on a Monday.
If pag-beans.
Hindi, pero nagkatrabaho ko. Umanap lang ang coffee shop tapos
Pwede yun sa'yo?
ha?
Pwede.
Oo, kahit makalit ka. Gusto nga nila yun.
Grabe, guys, look the view here. This is Brooklyn Bridge. Like, hello, Arabica, under the Brooklyn Bridge. Nakakatakot naman tong subway station na to. Like, pang shake, rattle, and roll. Nasa Ermita kami. Ermita Station.
Zombies coming out. Zombies coming out. Zombies coming out.
Nakakatakot dito. Ang laki ng elevator. Like zombies kayang-kaya dito. Sabi ng maganda, shake, rattle, and roll. Train to
Busan.
Busan, Manhattan. Trying, what is this called? $2 slice pizza. Hey! Thank you! Yay! Ay!
Kahit mo lang siya.
Ganyan ho, okay. Sige ho, ganun daw kumain ng pizza. American way. Like this? I hold this. I hold
So
this.
dumb.
You push.
See, you don't have to put it up. Just have to push it. How was it?
Lots of pizza. Lots of pizza ba din?
Lasang pizza ba rin?
Let's try the garlic.
Ew.
Why?
It's a powder. Dummy.
Ba't ko nilagyan ng garlic powder? Ano pa ipupush? Ay, hirap kumain. Pwede dito may instruction. I love the hot sauce.
Yeah, it's good, right? It's
Good. You made this?
It's chewy.
We made this. We made this. How do you eat it?
Mainit.
Pa yan, loser.
Yes, next please.
Hindi ko nga mapush eh. Oh my god, oo nga. Tingnan mo yung sa akin. Gutay-gutay na. Okay, that's easy. Ay, walang katapos ang lakad. Masakit na ng ako. Sobrang lamig. I cannot. Balik na akong Pinas. What the fuck? Oh my god. Pier 40 for the Statue of Liberty Cruise. Statue of Liberty Cruise. Oh my god. So cool here.
Like ka ba dito? Madalit ka ba?
Harbor, so you can see, they saw this opportunity. They had to stop off at Ellis Island. In front of the boat to the right is one of the largest immigration centers in the United States of its time. All the immigrants would go there to get processed. That's pretty much where they came from, where they were going, where their names were.
Sino?
We had hospitals all
Talaga? Gagawa talaga. Tama ni Opa. Hi guys. Live.
Ellis Island.
Dito na sa Statue of Liberty.
Sobrang lamig.
Statue of Liberty.
City still has the highest commercial rates in the United States. Now, the number one landmark on the New York side, the number one landmark we're all familiar with, is that very tall building with the spire, and that point to get some great bird's eye view pictures of the harbor right there in that steel structure.
Come
Soho! Dito pa kami dumaan. Lamig na ako. Ay, kontrabida sa buhay kahit kailan. Pero okay lang pala. Busog ang mata ko. Tignan niya. Daddy's home. Home for me. And I know you've been... Grabe. Ang daming pogi dito. Mapapakanta ka na lang ng Daddy's home. Ay. Bango. Amoy marijuana. Ano yun? Bakit parang mga strap-ons? Tapos pagbukas ko ng pinto ng store, yung nagtitinda, kita yung puwet, naka-strap-on lang.
really?
Oo, tapos red pa yung leather. Nasuot niya. The heck is that? Talagang masusurprise ka sa lahat ng nandito sa New York.
You.
I'm at Stonewall. Happy Pride! Oh. Happy Pride mga mahal. Song, say hi. We are in, where are we? Brooklyn?
Gaga.
Saan tayo?
Manhattan.
Ay, sa Manhattan na daw kami. Up, down?
No.
What? Which?
West Village.
West Village, Manhattan. At Chipotle.
You customize it according to what you like.
Oh, really?
So you can go there, whatever combination you want.
Para siyang sa Singapore.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
But this is so healthy.
Huh?
Ang healthy niya. Glorious shit kami mamaya.
Tira mo yung burrito.
Sarap. I love it. This is so masarap.
Order ba?
This is Chipotle.
Feeling.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Ang kabita ka talaga yun.
So good.
Anong beans? Wala customize ko.
I'm a bitch. Dito sa ano? Sa Eastwood, sa baba ng Conto Store. Tapos ganda din siya, parang Chipotle. Pero sa Singapore. Sarap. Sarap nito. Ang sarap ng healthy.
Oh my God. We're going to Carrie Bradshaw's house. Carrie Bradshaw's apartment. I'm so excited.
Okay, well.
$6.5.
Hindi, ayun mo. Ano yung feeling mo? Hold on. Refill. Anong information pa? Atorvastatin? Kasi atorvastatin.
Nothing special. Bayan, nagkalat ka dito.
Huh?
Nagkalat ka dito. My God. Oh my God. Nagkalat siya here. Hi. Hope I never lose you. Hope it never ends. I never walk or kneel straight again.
Pro story.
The famous house. Washington Square. So cute. The dogs are so cute. Bakit may priests dito?
I would have to be a pro.
Oh, Sour Rose. Now it's Soho. Louis Vuitton building. We're going to the first ever Lalabos tour. I'm so tired. We're here. Oh, it smells so good.
We mix it fresh, so
This is
let's give
cute.
a few minutes for me to mix it.
Okay, sure.
Do you want to record that?
Oh, can I? Oh, thank you.
Here, you get a better view from this.
From there. Okay.
So proud of you.
Thank you.
I'll bring my sister here.
Yeah, Laish.
Yeah, she wanted to leave.
Thank you. What's your name?
Barton.
Barton. Thanks, Barton.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Back at Grand Central. What the heck is this? Okay, so let's try this. So we're on set. Basically, when you first got on here.
Kita marinig. Chong.
Miss, ang layo ng mga trains dito sa New York. Like, what the heck? Say hi. Thanks, Chong. You're the best. Hindi si Mig. Grabe naman tong housewife na to. Grabe. Nagluto siya ng kadyos. Oh my God. Grabe tong mga hosts na to. Thanks, Mom! Thanks, Chong! Wala siyang kwenta.